Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do a fast or a slow zoom in motion on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this for a reference. So to make the zoom in really fast, add a keyframe here, whoops, and then just like slide a little bit to the right and then scale it on where you want to zoom in, maybe like this part, and like zoom in a little bit more, and it's going to zoom in really fast, as you can see. And if you want to like zoom in slower, just select the keyframe here and then bring it to like the right, so it's like further apart, and it's gonna make your zoom, okay, that's not slow enough, it's gonna make your zoom slower here. Maybe if I put it on the right, as you can see, it's going to zoom in slower, but the video duration itself isn't that long for it to be super slow. You can, however, go to speed and then make it slow yourself and go to smooth slow motion. And then grab that keyframe. Okay, it's already at the end, so you don't have to. So it's just going to make the zoom even slower than before. But that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!